Let's take a look at how to perform a clean installation of Neuron on the Linux operating system. The first thing to do is download the installer file from the download page of our website neuron.com. Next, as Neuron does not require the Linux graphical user interface, it can be installed on virtually any device, either by using the console or through an SSH connection as shown here. For the purpose of this video, I have already downloaded the installer onto this machine's root folder. I am now going to decompress the installer file using the following command. Once complete, we can proceed to install Neuron onto the OPT folder of our device with Debian 9 by typing the following command. We then proceed to start the service using the following command. Once complete, we need to type our machine's IP address, followed by the port, into the web browser address bar in order to access the Neuron's WebUI login page. By default, WebUI uses port 8003 for HTTP and port 8443 for HTTPS communications. When logging into Neuron's gateway for the first time, the system will require us to enter admin as the username and Neuron as the password. Once you gain access to the WebUI interface, I recommend changing the default password to a stronger one, since these credentials are used to access the gateway's most sensitive areas. Then, I will go ahead and click on the blue login button below. At this point, we are ready to navigate around the Neuron WebUI interface and start setting up the communication platform.